Any solutions that can remove the virus from a surface or break the virus apart are effective against COVID-19. Soap and water are very effective against COVID-19, not because they destroy the virus, but because they mechanically remove it from your skin, rinsing it away so it can't infect your cells. Alcohol-based hand sanitizer, at least 60% alcohol, can break up the protective protein layer coating the virus, rendering it harmless. This means that surface cleaners containing at least 60% alcohol can be used to sanitize surfaces too. Bleach and bleach-based cleaning solutions are also very good at killing COVID-19, but you should always follow the instructions on the bottle for proper sanitization and never mix bleach with other cleaning solutions. It can create toxic fumes. Hydrogen peroxide and hydrogen peroxide-based cleaners, which are milder than bleach, as well as cleaners containing quaternary ammonium compounds, or quats, can also be used to eliminate the virus on surfaces. Just be sure that any products you use aren't past their expiration date, as they may have lost their effectiveness. For a full list of products approved by the EPA for fighting COVID-19, click the link in the description below.